Welcome to another HeartX How to Use app video. In this video, we will walk through a simple Metamask private key reveal and login. For more beginner tutorials, please check out our other walkthrough on the link on top of the screen. To log in with your Metamask private key, follow these steps. Open the Metamask app and tap on the selection bar located on the left side of the app's version. From the menu that appears, select Settings. In the Settings menu, choose Security and Privacy. Look for the option labeled Show Private Key and select it. You will be prompted to enter your password. Provide the password associated with your Metamask account. After entering the correct password, your private key will be revealed on the screen. Copy the private key to the clipboard. Now, open the HeartX app on your device. In the HeartX app, select the option for existing account to log in. Paste the private key you copied from Metamask into the designated field in the HeartX app. Finally, set a strong password for your HeartX account. By following these steps, you will be able to log into the HeartX app using your Metamask private key. Remember to keep your private key and password secure to protect your account. And that concludes our tutorial on logging into HeartX with your Metamask private key. We hope you found this video helpful, and that you now feel confident in accessing your HeartX account using Metamask. If you have any further questions or need assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out to our support team or leave a comment in the comment section. Join us and thank you for being a part of HeartX. Together, let's ignite creativity, celebrate art, and build a vibrant global community. Explore, create, and connect like never before.